Greetings everyone. Welcome back to the Miniature Manual. In this video I will be reviewing Tarmac Works Hobby 64 Pandem Toyota GR Yaris. This isn't a regular Tarmac Works Pandem GR Yaris, but a very special one. This is Tarmac Works' first Disney collab model car. Toy Story 30th Anniversary Special 2025 Tokyo Auto Salon Hong Kong exclusive. Thanks to Tarmac Works for sending this. I really like the beautiful Toy Story themed packaging. This part features product description and licensing info. The model car comes in an acrylic case with a wooden-style plastic display base. Mine was autographed by the director of Tarmac Works, Mr. Felix Kwong. As it's Toy Story's 30th anniversary special, hence the whole model car features characters from Toy Story. They used pad printing and decals. Rims are painted and I can see the brake discs too. Fuel filler is engraved. Front canard is a separate piece. Headlights are separate plastic inserts. The front grille looks like metal, not plastic. Nice touch from Tarmac Works. You can see the radiator through it. Toyota and GR badge looks like it's photo etched and it's quick clear. Paint quality is good. Rear side features dual exhausts. Rear lights are separate plastic inserts. The silver lines looks printed. Similar to the front badges, the rear ones looks photo etched and it's clear too, though my phone couldn't record it properly. Side mirrors has reflective stickers. The base is fairly detailed. Front wheels doesn't roll smoothly, but the rear ones does. To conclude, I think Tarmac Works did a good job with this model car, a very nice model to start off the Disney lineup.